Hello friends, myself Prakash sir of NEET Computer official tutorial platform. Today I want to discuss in this video about how to create a new company, how to create ledger, how to modify company, how to delete company, how to delete ledger, how to modify ledger for accounting transactions. The process of creating new company. जदि आम नुआ कंपनी क्रिएट करूचंती ताहले आम कौन प्रोसेस फॉलो करिवा। टैली अकाउंटिंग पैकेज आगे ओपन करिवा। फर्स्ट ओपन टैली सॉफ्टवेयर, देन गो टू कंपनी इन्फो मेनू, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, देन वी हैव टू चॉइस क्रिएट कंपनी चॉइस करिवा, देन फिल कंपनी नेम, एड्रेस, सेट कंट्री नेम, सेट स्टेट नेम and financial year, that is books beginning from, and other details of the company. Detailed information we have to provide. After providing detailed information, then lastly we have to use accept yes. This is the process of creating new company. जेतेबेले आमे टैली रे गोटे नुआ कंपनी क्रिएट करबा पय चाहिबा सेतेबेले एई प्रोसेसटा हमको फॉलो करबा को पड़िबो। कंपनी आगे प्रथमे टैली अकाउंटिंग पैकेजटा लोड करिबा। लोड कला परे फास्ट आमे कोन करिबा, टैली मेन मेनू पाइबा। जदि मने कर कंपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेनू आसु नाही, वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेनू, देन वी हैव टू यूज ऑल्ट F3 टू गेट कंपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेनू. Then after getting company information menu, then we have to choose a create company, then after we have to fill the company details, then at last accept yes. This is the process of creating new company. How to display the list of a company name and open anyone. केमिति आमे कंपनी रो ना गुडा कोन आमे कंपनी क्रिएट करिसंती, what are the companies that we have created, its name we have to display. हमको देखिया पई अछि, हमको we have to check all the names of the company that we have created. Then what we have to do, we have to go to company info menu, then click select company, then it will list the names of a created company मानकर ना से लिस्ट करिवो. then after select any company name, जे कौन सी कंपनी नेम हमें सिलेक्शन करिबा, सिलेक्शन कर साला पर then press enter key to open or active that company. This is the process of display the list of a company name and you can open any company by our choice. What is the process of a company modification and delete? Suppose we have created one company and we want to modify, and if there is no need of that company, then we can delete it. What is that step? Then go to company info menu, then go to alter. After that to choose any company name and press enter key. After pressing enter key, then you just check do any modification if you need any. जदि आमे किछि मॉडिफिकेशन करिया पय चाहिबा ताले आमे मॉडिफाई मध्ये करि परिबा. देन एट लास्ट एक्सेप्ट यस. आफ्टर मॉडिफिकेशन वी हैव टू यूज एक्सेप्ट यस. अदरवाइज इफ वी वांट टू डिलीट दैट कंपनी, जदि आमे कंपनी को डिलीट करिया पय चाहिबा, देन वी हैव टू यूज ऑल्ट डी. वी हैव टू प्रेस ऑल्ट डी. देन आफ्टर दैट इट विल गिव अस कंफर्मेशन आर यू इंटरेस्टेड टू डिलीट यस और नो. जदि आमे यस मारिबा, इफ यू प्रेस यस, देन दैट कंपनी विल बी डिलीटेड. Then we have to check the process of creating ledger. How do you create ledger? केमते हमें ledger create करिवा. First of all we have to go to gateway of Tally, then account info. Gateway of Tally, we have to go to the menu of gateway of Tally. This is the first menu of accounting package. Then we have to use account info. We have to go to account info. Then after we have to go to ledger. Then we have to go to ledger. After that, then we click on create. After that, then we set ledger name and set a group name. At last we accept yes. We use accept yes, then the ledger will be created. This is the process of a ledger creation. First of all we create a company, then we create a ledger. Without creation any company, nobody can create ledger because ledger should be created under a particular company. How do you display the ledger names? कौन कौन लेजर हमें क्रिएट करिसेंती तार ना गुडा केमती डिस्प्ले करबा. द लिस्टिंग ऑफ द नेम्स ऑफ द लेजर्स. देन गेटवे ऑफ टैली, वी हैव टू गो टू द गेटवे ऑफ टैली, देन अकाउंट इन्फो, देन वी जस्ट क्लिक लेजर, देन आफ्टर वी क्लिक डिस्प्ले, then it will display, it will show the ledger names here, and after that we can check what are the ledgers we have created and what are the ledgers we want to create or we have to need to create. How do you modify ledger and delete? What is the process of a ledger modification and ledger delete? Then gateway for tally, go to gateway for tally menu, then account info, then you go to ledger, then you go to alter. After that select ledger name and press enter key. What is the ledger you want to modify, what is the ledger, which ledger you want to modify, then you have to select that ledger, then press enter key, then that ledger information will be displayed. Then we can change ledger name or we can change ledger group name, and after that, after modification, then use accept yes. Otherwise if you don't want to modify that, जदि हमें ताको modify न करिबा, if we want to delete that one, then here also we can use alt D to delete that ledger. Alt D we can use to delete that ledger. Whenever you use alt D, that time it will display confirmation message, are you interested to delete that ledger, yes or no. Then what we have to do, we have to use yes, why, then after the ledger will be deleted. Then next point is the process of a voucher entry. What is the process we have to follow for voucher entry? First of all we have to go to gateway of a tally, gateway of a tally menu को जिबा. Then we have to click accounting voucher, accounting voucher. This is the accounting voucher point. By this way, by this option we can create a voucher entry. Then after set a voucher type, first of all we have to set a voucher type, that is either payment voucher or contra voucher or journal voucher or receipt voucher. That topic already I have discussed in my previous video. Then we have to choose, we have to set here voucher type according to the journal. Then after we put debit and credit ledger in proper box. In debit box we have to put debit ledger, in credit box we have to put credit ledger. Then we have to put debit amount and credit amount accordingly. Then after write narration if it is required. जदि हमें चाहिए, it is optional case. If we need, then we can write narration. Then at last accept yes. This is the point of a processing of a voucher entry.